Hi everyone, welcome to Cape Cottons video number 27. Today I am going to show you as usual my Bengal cotton sarees part 9. Let us move to our video. The first one is lemon yellow with maroon border. See, simple and elegant look, very attractive and common Bengal cotton design, and there is no blouse piece for this saree. Second one is ilachi color, nice temple design with violet color also, typical Bengal cotton, and that's pallu, same Bengal temple design. Third one is pure white with sky blue border, plain, simple design. That's pallu, nice design. Next one is blue, navy blue with violet border. All are very simple and very attractive to see. And that's pallu. Throughout the body, small flower design with white and black. Next one is off-white with violet border. And this pallu, this ochre design will make much more attractive to this saree. Another one is also again a yellow, lemon yellow with temple design. Lemon and maroon is always very attractive. Throughout the body, simple small designs, and this temple design making much more attractive to this saree. And maroon blouse will be match for this saree. See, throughout the pallu, this design, this diamond cut design is throughout the pallu. In this range, last one is rose milk rose with violet border. That's pallu. And all these sarees cost you at rupees 1,250 only. Let us move to our next range of sarees. These are common Bengal cottons. Green with violet. Throughout the body, these flowers are there with a border is like pattu saree. That's pallu with vertical lines and flowers. And next one is check saree, violet. Throughout the body, small checks with an attractive border. That is pallu, simple pallu with stripes. Same design in another color, attractive sky blue. Most of the ladies will like this yellow sky blue. That's pallu. Another one is orange, Fanta orange. little much more design in this throughout the body, and that temple design border, and that's pallu, orange color, orange and yellow. This body is yellow and border is orange, same design. That's pallu. Maroon and cream, common maroon and cream, same design. Throughout the body check design and a attractive pallu. That's pallu. Orange, Fanta orange with violet border. That's pallu. And the last one is light violet with dark violet border, same temple design. That's pallu. And these sarees cost you at rupees 850 only. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.